Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Dev and today I'm going to give you a quick review about the MI TV stick. This is the full HD Android TV stick. It comes with a remote and the TV stick itself, which will be hanging behind your TV set. You can turn your non-smart TV into smart TV. It has quad-core CPU, DTS, Chromecast, Google Assistant. It's priced around 2800 and in US dollar you can find it on $13 approx. So if you compare with the Fire TV stick, it comes much cheaper, comes with pure Google and runs very fast, smoothly. So let's unbox this and see what's inside. So inside the box, in this you can find a quick installation guide in orange. This is something very small paperwork, and inside this cardboard flap you can find this TV stick inserted in a pocket. Let's pull it out. Yeah, so the TV stick is very slim, look like a larger pen drive, and the half of part is matte finish, MI logo is on top of it, and half of the part is glossy, and the bottom of this TV stick is has some circular pattern. So let's find what else inside. So here is a power cord. This is a USB to micro USB power cord or data cable, whatever you said, like just like ordinary phones. And you can also find the remote itself. Here you go. The slim smart remote for operating your Android TV needs two AAA size battery, which doesn't come with a pack. So you need to buy this separately. And you can also find this power brick. This power brick is 2-pin. It looks like a normal phone charger. So you have to attach the USB port to the power brick, and the other side of the micro USB port will be attaching to the MI TV stick. So this is the simple mechanism which we have here, and it's looks like its build quality is on average. The TV stick looks very premium, and that's it. That's all in the box right now. So this is the TV stick. So let's talk about it. So if you power on the TV stick, you can see is LED signal, LED light will glow, and the size is almost same with my index finger. So it has quad-core processor, 1 gigs of RAM and 8 gigs of storage. But despite of that, it's quite fast. And one thing I have noticed that it gets heated a lot. It heats up very fast, and if it's too close with your TV, this back panel, then it could be a problem. So here is the remote. It's a complete black, comes matte black finish. The build quality is solid. You require two AAA size battery. On top of it, you can find a Google Assistant button and a microphone hole, power and volume plus minus. No mute button. If you compare with my set-top box, Android set-top box remote, it's a little bit smaller and very slimmer. So let's start it up. Setting it, it's very easy, just like any ordinary remote, ordinary phone or Android phone or set-top box. So it's require your region, language preference, and your Wi-Fi password. Once you give all the data and your Google account, obviously, if you put all the data properly, if you connect and sync with your Google account, you have to choose the Wi-Fi network properly. One thing I have noticed that it has two band Wi-Fi, and with 5 gigahertz it has no issue, but with 2 gigahertz, 2.4 gigahertz, it's giving me issue in terms of connecting. So this is the home screen. If you power it up, this is the home screen. Says MI Dolby Digital, and right after that there is the Android boot screen. Here you go. And after the Android boot screen, the home page will appear on your TV screen. So it takes a little long time in comparison with other set-top boxes, like I have Airtel set-top box. It takes a little longer time than the usual one, but once it loaded up, it acts very fastly, very smoothly. You can see all your apps on top of the TV screen. You can pull the app drawer. You can see the YouTube. You can see your favorite apps on top of the screen, favorite YouTube channels, clips. It gives you constant notification if it's out of Wi-Fi network. You have to connect it again. So here is the scrolling function. This is the app drawer. You can see Google Play Store is there. This is the benefit of pure Google. And if you scroll it down, you can see through your multiple apps, your favorite YouTube channel, which will be highlighting on your TV screen, and also the apps which you will install. You can customize to order this, and as per your requirement you can set it up. So let's go to setting and find out what is there. It's just like on top of this, the Wi-Fi setting. You can find that this is a 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Both of this SSID are broadcasting over here, but it has some issue with 2.4 gigahertz. So those who are having a single band router definitely have to think about it before buying this. So it has a unique option called data saver. If you select this, you have option to restrict your data. If you're using hotspot of your mobile data, it could be very useful. Other than this, you can see that your Google account, which has to be synced with this TV in order to run all your favorite apps. You can go to accessories and see that remote is connected, and you can also rename that remote. You can see the battery percentage, so you need to know that when you have changed and when you have to change the remote's battery. So this is a device preference. In about section you can see system update, device name. You can change it as per your requirement. I have set it to living room TV. Android version 9 is showing over here, as this is the Android Pie screen which is appearing. So as it's running pure Google, we expect that it will update very soon, and all the updates will be coming frequently. Screen resolution is 1080p at 60 Hz. That is the highest screen resolution you can set, since it's a FHD version only. You can see this is the screen resolution. You can set the color space setting. You can set the HDMI CEC function, and you can see the DTS sound is there. You can see the storage is 5.1 GB is available right now. Total space is 5.1 GB showing. You can order the home page. You can set it up. You can use the Google Assistant. With this remote you can turn it off and on your Google Assistant connected smart lights. So this is also a very useful feature, and there's a reset option as well. So if you come back to the home screen, you can see that all the apps on top of it. Let's run Amazon Prime Video. In other set-top boxes, even Android set-top boxes, it's loading very slowly. Let's see how it performs over here. So okay, it's loading comparatively little bit faster, though it's not I have not signed in. So this is my quick review about the Mi TV stick. Tell me if you like it or not. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much.